Join me as I challenge myself to uncover the secret to making the famous Turkish baklava dessert. Turkish baklava, a delicate and sweet dessert loved by many, is an art that requires patience, precision, and a bit of magic. But don't worry, I'm excited to take you on this journey with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to create this stunning dessert in the comfort of your own kitchen. I'm sure many of you have heard that making baklava is a daunting task, that it's a dessert best left to the professionals, or that it requires special skills and equipment. But I'm here to tell you that those are just myths. With a few simple tools and some readily available ingredients, you can create a truly authentic Turkish baklava that will impress friends and family alike. Another common misconception is that baklava is all about the complexity of the layers, the flakiness of the phyllo, or the sweetness of the syrup. But in reality, it's all about balance. It's about finding that perfect harmony between the crunch of the nuts, the delicate flakiness of the phyllo, and the sweetness of the syrup. So, let's dive in and demystify the process of making this beloved dessert. When it comes to baklava, the quality of the ingredients is paramount. You can't skimp on the quality of the phyllo, or the type of nuts you use. For an authentic Turkish baklava, you need to use high-quality phyllo dough, preferably made with flour, water, and a touch of vinegar. And when it comes to nuts, you can't go wrong with a combination of walnuts and pistachios. The sugar syrup is another crucial element in making baklava. It's not just about sweetening the dessert, but about adding depth and flavor to the overall experience. A good sugar syrup should be made with a combination of granulated sugar, water, and a touch of lemon juice. And let's not forget the spices. A pinch of cinnamon, a dash of cardamom, and a sprinkle of rose water can elevate the flavor of your baklava to new heights. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into the process of layering the phyllo and nuts, and the importance of achieving a perfect balance of textures and flavors. To make authentic Turkish baklava, you need to layer the phyllo dough and nuts in a specific way. You start with a layer of phyllo, then add a layer of nuts, and so on. The key is to create a rhythm, to find a flow that works for you, so that each layer is evenly distributed and perfectly balanced. As you layer the phyllo and nuts, you need to be gentle, yet firm. You need to make sure that each layer is evenly coated with butter, so that the phyllo is crispy and golden when it comes out of the oven. And when it comes to adding the nuts, you need to be generous, but not too generous. You want to create a perfect balance between the crunch of the nuts and the flakiness of the phyllo. The final touch is the sugar syrup. You need to pour it evenly over the baklava, so that each piece is coated in a sweet, sticky glaze. And when you take that first bite, the combination of textures and flavors will be absolutely divine. So, that's it. That's the secret to making famous Turkish baklava. It's not rocket science, it's not magic, it's just about taking the time to understand the process, to find the right balance, and to be patient. And trust me, the end result is well worth the effort. If you're feeling inspired to try making Turkish baklava at home, I'd love to see your results. Share your creations with me on social media, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious dessert recipes and challenges. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.